The Applied Research Division of the Institute for Advanced Learning and Research is focused on economic transformation. We do that by leveraging our skills, our equipment, our facilities, and our resources to help industry. We do that through contract research, we can do testing services, we rent lab space, we provide a spot for people to test new technology and others. To focus on economic transformation, the Applied Research Division has historically targeted agriculture. Why would we target agriculture? Agriculture is the largest economic driver in the state of Virginia. Fundamental research is research like you think of at a university. It's research that's important maybe 10 years down the line. The IALR focuses on applied research, and some even call it translational research, and that's research that's driven by companies. So our partners tell us what's important, maybe producers or maybe our academic partners can also tell us what's important. So all those together, we focus on research that's available to the company immediately. A unique aspect of our research division is the fact that we are a subdivision of the Commonwealth of Virginia. Because of that, we can operate in between industry and academia, and we can do things that benefit both. It gives us the freedom to move quickly and to change research topics depending on what's important to the state of Virginia and to economic development. The Applied Research Division at ILR focuses on many different types of testing and services for companies. We do that through analytical chemistry, where we have an ISO certified lab where we do testing services for various different types of companies. We have a biotechnology lab where we focus on developing and implementing biocontrol and biostimulant products for plants, and we do that in concert with companies. We have a polymer testing lab where companies can have access. They can rent equipment for a day, they can rent it for a month. We have robotics and computer imaging where we focus on developing different types of image analysis software to analyze plant growth and health. We have a Controlled Environment Agriculture Innovation Center that we recently established with Virginia Tech, and we use it to facilitate companies' product development. We do contract research there also, but we also work closely with the state of Virginia for economic development purposes. The goal of the CEA Innovation Center is to provide a demonstration site, workforce training, testing facilities, and good solid research to move the industry forward. Probably the biggest success story we have is where our Controlled Environment Ag Research Center has been able to partner with the governor's office in supporting the growth of controlled environment ag in the state of Virginia. The CEA Summit East is a partnership between Indoor AgCon, Virginia Tech, and IALR. It happens yearly. We focus on bringing industry and academia together. The controlled environment ag industry is an excellent example of how IALR works with all divisions to move that industry forward. For the CEA Summit East, we have conference services that we leverage the wonderful facilities here to have a research-focused conference in a wonderful facility. We work with advanced manufacturing for our automation and robotics. We work with advanced learning through their GoTech program to integrate middle school students' education with controlled environment ag. And we work with economic development to move the industry forward, to support controlled environment ag companies come into the region, and to help attract new companies.